Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Thank you for joining me. I just wanted to share something on this broadcast. It's called Hoshizaki 5-beat sequence diagnosis. So the technician that was here earlier said that they couldn't figure out why the unit was beeping 5 times after he reset it. I guess he's been here a couple of times, and then they reset the unit, and then the unit ended up going back into a 5-beat error code. As you can see right here, this is the water bin. It's filling back up right now, okay? So that filled, and then there's 2 floats right here. And these floats activate and deactivate the water from coming in. And then the water will go out into the ice chamber, and it'll freeze, and then the ice is accumulating and brought up and dropped into the bin from up here. Excuse me. But what was happening, from what I saw, is that the technician that was here, he came in, he reset the machine, and then he probably stayed long enough to see it start making ice like this, and then he left. Okay, he didn't stay to see if it was refilling, um, if the water inlet was opening back up, because you could probably see the level of water that's here right now. It's going to drop down to here, and then when it drops down low enough, when those floats recognize it, then it's going to fill back up as it should. And then after that, once it fills up enough and the ice gets high enough in the bin, this is that electric eye right here. And that electric eye, it's green. And then when the bin gets full, there's like an orange light on the other side of this, and it's an orange light. It'll turn on, and then that tells the machine that it's got enough ice. So then it'll stop making ice. But the real issue really was from, let me take you in the back room here. The real issue was really from this filter system. This filter system, okay, right now the pressure is decent. It's at 60. I mean, 60 psi. It's not bad, okay? Um, but if you look over here, look at the date, okay? 8/20/2024, and then it has to be replaced 8/2025. That's on both of them, okay? The scale and the non-scale, okay? 8/2024 to 8/2025. So that's telling me that these filters recently were changed, okay? And what I've been noticing is when the technicians come to replace these filters, the filters, they're really supposed to shut down the soda equipment. They're supposed to shut down the ice machine, shutting that all down, and then they'll go ahead and change their filters, and then open the system back up. But before they open the system back up, they need to go over here to this line, open that shut-off valve, open it up and purge these filters, purge the air out of the system. Okay, and they're not doing that apparently, because that was the reason why when the ice maker was calling for ice, it needed the water to fill up, and there was so much air in the line that the water was blocked. The water was not getting through. So that's why it wasn't filling. So this is just something I wanted to share to kind of give you an idea on what to look for if you run into that 5 beep sequence issue. That 5 beep sequence is a water valve error. Okay, it's a water valve error. It's the water valve is staying open longer than 30 seconds. I believe it's 30 seconds, and then it goes into an error. Give me a second. I could also show you here just to make sure I'm telling you the right thing here. Yeah, 30 minutes. I'm sorry, not 30 seconds. 30 minutes. Right here. The beep sequence is on the front cover of the ice maker. So this will tell you all of the beep sequence issues. Okay, it will tell you all of the issues, and then it will tell you your reset options. Okay, but if you look here at 5 beeps, your freeze timer. Okay, WV is water valve off longer than 30 minutes since the last water valve activation. Okay, and then it says to manually reset it, so you can shut power off, turn the power back on. But they also have to make sure that the water trough is filling back up. And if you don't do that, then it's going to stay down. It's going to work for whatever amount of water is in that tank. But when it goes to refill, it doesn't refill, and then it goes into the error. Okay, so that was just something that I wanted to share with you. I wanted to let you see what was going on and explain to you about the water filters. So, always, take a look at your filters on these ice maker issues, and always, stay to make sure that your ice maker is making ice, and that your water trough is refilling when it's supposed to. See, right now it's about to start to fill. It should start to fill back up in a few seconds. See that? Hear it? And you can see the water level rising. And then when those floats reach their limit, it'll stop. There it goes. The water stopped. So that was just to show you, what's going on with these units. And a lot of times it's things like that if you just think about it for a minute and take a look at everything that's connected to the system, you'll be able to figure it out. So that's all I have, everyone. I thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Take care and stay blessed.